Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on backup all my photos on Dropbox application. So how to turn on backup all my photos on Dropbox application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Dropbox app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Dropbox app. Next, tap the settings icon at the top right. Tap Camera Upload. Tap Backup. And tap All My Photos. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on backup all my photos on Dropbox application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.